You may have just unboxed a new iMac, or maybe you're still using an older MacBook Pro. But at some point you realize that Times Roman and Helvetica are just not cutting it anymore. There are many places on the internet that offer free downloads, but which to trust? Bold fonts are meant to get your attention. Condensed fonts are tall and narrow. A serif is a small line added as decoration to the basic form of a letter. Think of it as a foot that supports the body. Sans serif fonts lack these decorative endings. Scripts would include lettering styles as if written by hand, such as cursive or any kind of calligraphy. Once you're at the Google site, you'll find over 900 fonts from which to choose. Drop-down menus let you narrow your options. From categories, I will deselect everything but the handwriting styles. Looking around, I'm excited to see a font called Permanent Marker, because who doesn't like writing with a fresh new Sharpie? This one called Courgette, or maybe it's Courget, also looks good. Click on the Add button for downloading the new font. Press the download arrow, and now they're in a folder ready to be installed. So here are the two new fonts from Google, and I'll install Courgette, or possibly Courget, first. Click on the font file and then press the Install button. Your Mac takes care of the rest, and pretty soon it pops up in a list of your recently installed fonts. There's the first, and now I'll repeat the procedure for Permanent Marker. Click on the Permanent Marker file and then press the Install Font button. It shows up alongside the many other fonts recently downloaded. And now, just to make sure it's available, I'll open up Pages to see if it's among the existing fonts. Let's see. There it is. Success. Installed and ready to use. With the Typefaces available from Google, your documents and presentations can be even more creative and interesting. Thanks for watching.